And the culture of silence will never work. Enya Juma, trouble colors. Any other journalists, Abe clash with Mahama. Concerning state and other NY, I say what they warning. Any Yamsheni Hunabi. Abeto, Omo Beso criticizing Namamuno. I will tell them now, over criticizing one local pa. You bet you what to. Here choose the bed yellow, yeah, yellow. Trouble culture, Massa. Culture of silence, party, Ghana, Enya Juma. So, better Kobicas are watching him. Say, can me tell like Kasai, na bench warrant edda. So, no bad, no matter about home, you go free there any Juma. I have Penyah work media. That's what I say. Need him. Over like keep video, no doubt. Put subscribe button, click the notification, connect with the just. Never to the wife and their mama. Comment section. Best rest of us one. Watch it don't for any be action. It's what Ghana history more. The most insulted president. I am nobody, either than former president Akufo-Addo. None of them call Akufo-Addo. Hey, president aye di natem. Frema show di baby. Frema never someone. Semi Jemfi was able to sit on national television, label Akufo-Addo as a useless man.
Have been given the authority of the states to crack down on this criminality. For you to be talking about NDC people who are engaged in illegal mining actually underscores your uselessness, because you have all the powers. You are the commander-in-chief. You have placed your presidency on the line to fight illegal mining. I'm talking about President Akufo-Addo.
And even Mahama himself. Tamwa, Baubekas was asking questions for Mahama. Now, why is Mahama running away from the economic questions, sir? Or no, but me say Mahama no. I'm a Akufo-Addo cracker. Say, hey, Mahama is through. Say Mahama so a bema. And uncle facey, Baumia. No uncle answer Baumia questions. No, Mahama ever reply Akufo-Addo. I can say. It is about the economy, stupid.
In 1992, there was an election in America. It was between Bill Clinton and George Bush Sr. At that time, the American economy was in recession, the way the Ghanaian economy is in crisis today. And people were talking about immigration, talking about all kinds of useless things. You know what the Clinton people said? It is about the economy, stupid. Today, I'm repeating those words. This election is about the economy, stupid. It's not about all those other useless things about who built how many compost plants. Answer the 5 simple questions.
Ninyan Semu, just say, or hiding behind Obi post Yawaye, say, Okoti, but Okoti no. Ukoti dia be refer my Akufo-Addo into a directly insult to Akufo-Addo. One person would catch and say, "Well, you stupid man." And I shall question we post is oh, anybody way can say saying on that note, me you see a man. Emma Obekai, a Japan royalties a buyer. Mama make post on the Facebook page. And I try to say, a Japan royalties fraud is the last straw. The Achem Sakawa boys and grandpas must go. Bahama labeled Akufo-Addo as Akufo-Addo and people as Achem Sakawa boys. Emma even that in Akufo-Addo at the yaw ever count and send for
the comment made by my opponent, Achem Sakawa people. I've not heard any public figure in this country, independent, yourselves or anybody, comment on it. It's completely unacceptable. If I was to get up to make a comment about Northerners or Bunchas, you can imagine the uproar that would be in the country. Presidential candidate, a former president of Ghana, you can call a group of Ghanaians Sakawa people, and it involves the group for which the sitting president comes, and that comment goes without, that statement goes without comment. And at the same time, we hear these statements. Let's all try and bring the politics of insults to an end, etc., etc. Occasions are given where specific comments can be made. Nothing happens.
Anyone when you know Chaguye, Emma attempted the idea go for the Krum Hanamo. And Yasim Kuma, President Bede dinner tell me say, Emma, and this vocal to the dinner, Nana book at Neza. Opa got TikTok, Nesache, Nana book at Neza, a Kufa picture never because that was how I end this for a label Kufado. Emma make I more picture we and this vocal here, this, should I even call it flyer or what? I can say and Pharaoh hardened his heart. no more the Kufa and Atos Majesoma. I redefine that image, you know. And the Kufa didn't have a that was when an omiri they say galam say Kufa and stop it. I know say Kufa and person best stop it. To make say and Pharaoh hardened his heart. Just say you did all this nonsense. Obi and can but Enra. Mahama Chirimu say media there are so much hate speech. There's a better now so aba no modi bo obi no. Ye de kakra bo na chidie. Mahama who say there's hate speech on the internet. And I want to ask a question say since when did Mahama notice as a media also there are full of hate speeches? Since when? Mahama who say media also there's a hate speech. Mu ye nyacho. Mu ye hypocrite. I saw the Penyah. Who ye hypocrite? Who ye hypocrite? Since when? Ye do be a term there. One can say who catch it is about the economy stupid. One can say hate speech. Obi can be chiramodia. And you hate speech. What I say? Ever Mahama say now no. You better track it with IP. You better chill. You choose to go jail. You better call court. Over them. And no. And the media can be actually no.
And tonight I'm going to be straightforward with Otumfuo
okay.
Yana. Bono for hine.
Okay, what's up, woman? And I'm Frodin.
I want to for hine Cassia.
Or no, see a man and
I am for Cassia more Ghana. Mianga Samofa. Nana Kuisata, the central region or hine Cassia.
Okay.
Say she am hine. Bono for hine. And Western region. Mo ahemfo na motina Ghana mo ye di masaka we kwaso. We swear to God, if things tweet ananyoma Dania, we will take you people down first.
Okay. Tienye. Hate speech.
Mo ahemfo na mo Ghana no.
Tienye.
All you the chiefs.
Okay.
Power bar mo na manfo butu wanim. Eji nshira. Mo na musimu wo tumi no. Se bibi jike. All of you, we will take your heads off.
Agati asamaba. Na me mpese mia meba be quote ensem krama manual twist ntimi nyanto boase ekope Kevin Taylor video no esa so de babak. You see, you say uri ofonsa na waye dey na wahwe wonsa. Ensem a your president ne beka ye no utimu say he is on a mission. He want to better Ghana. He want to make things right. And ye may be a say no, he want to make it right. But yeah, Papa John Dramani Mahama. And ye man apesa wo ye no right, and uncle saw the stati efru hunano. Because se wo share and someone a brantie ababeka during the election. A hate speech. According to your president, wo no masam no, Ghana mrebi wo honoma ene enipa daily when you come out and say all the stuff. And enipa no wakeka ensem bi say amwa kwadi obi atem obedru Ghana no emra ne kire se emra bia ni hono ma kire sa according to Ghana law ama say omagyan no asa ma ne ko back enti say no why na yede ne ba like make it make sense to me me that meant to be biase enemy bisa so now that means say hate speech no ye wo omo make ya yetime chi wo mo ena omuso a omu mekia they can go scot free, which mean right now I believe say it is very wrong. Very wrong, because yampasa emre bi wo ho na se echichire omo mu di atem omo mu make hate speech. Then I think say this brother nanke ni kwan so osi Ghana no nanke ni kwan so walk away for free. And clearly it shows that there is no law like that in Ghana. Chale the way Enyema AC Aircono, like I need to understand. Say after so na your president, omo be se emrebi sa dia. Then I will understand. But the speech in no was it under Ghana law no a bit dealing with you, so make it his speech. That means emra no hold that. Because of Sadia we saying sometimes say your president person obeshe mrebia. It make it difficult for some of us your support no. Me then can support it because you're very good. Disrespect no too much. E bia na say Kevin Taylor to one mo so betwitwa ya himfumuti say bibi eje can. It is very sad say bibi esi wo Ghana na say enya. Da bia ohini bi otini baby na de akwa akwhye no. E wa bra politicians ete hono mu a omu na handle wo man no. Ye wo ahemfo ho ene ye say ye peka bi mami ka bia mamu ne de Ghana ye bibia akwhye constitution mu ene ye de ko share president for nsa de share ministers politicians for de show monsa na so bibi e koso wo Ghana na sanya de a kila se ahemfo ne nka hwe enti ne betutwo muti na dabai ana ye friend say politicians omu are respect ahemfo how also omu respect omu ahemfo bebre akasa hospitals ebubu ewo abunumam ebi bubu okumase ebi bubu wa ha ye wa ha ne nana ebepa abosia so de kwakwa ne hospital ewo kumase so nyane de ewo eyo man ne dia okasa ye no se nanka ne voice no ehia emanipa that time no NPP na esi so adenti nanka NPP fo ankwankwa hospital no no na kwaje bosia de koye because ono na ye di natam bibi kwa bone dia yen kodutwo muti bibi kwa papa dia yen fa glory no ema politicians Charlie, it is very wrong. Enti no say your president, if he's talking about hate speech, I think say he have a long way to go. He need to start from somewhere because the way we see Emma amount for respecting ideas no the ibano na ideas na very nice, I support it. But the way we see, no, this one is touchable, this one is allowed to say this one is say Azukios one when Eko can say you better by election. No. You arresting no, but that's no more. Because there are some people that they are allowed to say whatever that they can say. Charlie, it is very sad.
Yeah, a quick one. Now, when you watch up here, this coming from the President of the Republic of Ghana. He said he's going to trace and deal with hate speech. Yes, upon all the insecurity that is going on in the country, his own hometown, the people that ran, over thousands of them that are now refugees in another man's country, less than 50 of them return. And those who return, Joy reported that because of insecurity and recent attacks, these people are running back again. Yet the president says his interest is to arrest or trace people with hate speech, but he has no interest, because we didn't hear him talking about this. He has no interest in tracing the people that are causing the insecurity in the country. And this hate speech that the president spoke of, he's only arresting MPP members. Only MPP members, even after prioritizing hate speech over our security, the insecurity in his own hometown. Even Sampa, yesterday, reports indicates that 4 policemen lost their lives. The president don't care about that. His problem is hate speech. Meanwhile, he has given ministerial and CEO position for the people that introduce hate speech in Ghana. Sami Jemfi said God should kill Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. He has given Sami Jemfi CEO position. Sam George said all nasty things about Akufo-Addo and Bawumia. He has given him a ministerial position. Kelvin Taylor that introduced hate speech in Ghana, his government freed him. Recently, they are arresting MPP members because of hate speech. NDC members are not part. Happy in the second Independence Day to Mother Ghana.
Mr. President John Mahama, I know we have media encounter no. Now we have media encounter and one ageno. We see obi biara obeka hate speech, obi biara obeka kasafin, obi biara obeka nsem ayenim e dey afa omampanyin ho anase abamu ni pa no. Mo be trace no. E dey IP akwache no asede ndey. Wo akwache side pa no. Mr. President me soro oro dey da ho no. O ka asase biwe na kabitira etwete e ne de nyaje because the boss akasa. The boss ka obiara anu atunso obian kasa ba ono de all right so when you there ono kabitira de okasa. O the kabitira dinda ho Mr. Obi biara hwe bia comment no like no share. Kabitira de be treaty o the kabitira di o le be treaty because John Mahama akasa obian ka na nuntum na nyaje. Any 3 minutes Mr. President John Mahama okasa any 3 minutes and Kelvin Taylor no ekofa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne campion na oye na tari a washe to ne wo se washe 3/4 anase de no washe. So Mr. President un say entwa ye any 3 minutes on like the same Kelvin Taylor no ekofa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a picture beto say Baumia said 3/4. And I said, "Oh, turn atari awasha." Mr. President, who are you President of the Republic of Ghana? Me and me to be too. Mr. President, me to be too. We say yenya hate speech. I can on social media, but yen pay for the come master say, "Who too money from now to a council for?" What to Kevin Taylor for you because we hate speech say or catch the past vice president say Natalia was a 3/4 and answer Mr. President, maybe to make a sanction because Mabuso Maga mepe. Mr. President, Mabuso will be better than one of our room purpose on our room. Indeed, Obi can send for the Alpha in one enemy. Mabuso will be better than you are. Over the president, Obi better company who Minister Kwampuda, or more quadroy assembly man, Mr. I didn't have tell a kind of a head speech no catch about me. Also, like I tell a near joke and near general treaty, and in 3 minutes also by cancer for the fab of meow. It is a president to no phone, no catches and questions some now all can of Onyai, Nanya Chumono, Nyachumona out there. So see a carry this over to see me fear, I'm your baby Chimedia. Mr. President, to go for mum, me a matchme because of some cannot pray. Min did you at the mo, Mr. President, to be crying, yes, I'm going to go to Nia, I can be the beyond the Mr. President. Min to be treated also. But I make criticize, yeah, then in your pregnant how make can because democracy, democracy will know. Anyhow, but I can tell you your rights on your bit me talk past vice president who bet me then Natalia Shan, no about Tony, I can send phone. By the end to me, Casa, Mr. President, you bet me a casa. We can talk. We can talk, but we will talk wisely. We say we be hate speech after be home. Mr. President, and how home use state resources and from a team will be fear. And how home trade see me use data me team me see me to grow from. Mum, no ya but because me can't pray. Kevin tell the ni pattern can Kevin tell the man for attempt from head to toe. Or the dear him for akese attempt. Or the past president Nana Akufo-Addo didn't to talk chimpanzee. Or did allow Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Or did the be a Canadian Japan attempt. Yet tikro wa win Mr. President. Munya nya atwomo no obiara nu won mo yesen. Nyame kwane no kwarefo. Nyankopon no hatosro no ono kwane no kwarefo. Ne Nyankopon be dig Ghana for you mu bia asema ma say ye tete fa hudie so because of say ye no kura ye kan. Kuguru ni jaya kika subejai adentina ka speech na no oni media ni nya nkata no on ka say Kevin Taylor wona wo ye na Ghana for ni bi susu de eso zuntu mesra ujai Kevin Taylor wona wo ye no ma bi e na ma Ghana for so asua sa atem bie ene ka sa twitwe ni ka sa fie no e di Kevin Taylor jai de ka wo say Mr. President we are equal na ke wo say udam Ghana na wo guro unya NDC president na unya PP president na wo ye Ghana president. You are serving as a president, but you as a hypocrisy in the doors of Mr. President. Me can't pray. As a hypocrisy no nya chomono e doors of can't pray to damfo. Ya say adamfo. Ade a wo ye na enye. Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Babe on the onye nipa. Nana Akufo-Addo on the onye nipa. Kennedy wa hina Japan. Mr. President on the onye nipa. O kan assembly design na Kevin Taylor betreti esre Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Bawumia na tadi e hye Yankopon be di Ghana for yasama amaye na se de ya bodua a ebo na ntwe no to no anka wo no o konfo na ode kom no anka wo to a word to the wise is enough na ni hani so yemfa nko aprenke simafi yemfa ni hani enko aprenke simafi emre ye ni nka so let give time some time.
They say the center cannot hold and then the area John Mahama oh come say amount for my hate speech or social media into the amount for IP number ma National Signals Bureau na a crime and crime and a untimi so nya ho hwe obi atoni phone anya the data be on the social media social media ni obi platform or no abelde no o be ka che Ghana for say and someone ye ka ho no a crime. You are John Mahama o boada me see empanifo ne bu baby say akwala wo so mane maame nan bento we empane to that and as wo to bo and as wo to bo dan a esa aba wa ankasa wo so wo ya wa ba no ma otete wo che wo te o man Ghana mu e ma su ko no makotena NDC ni kontokotena
ɔman television kɛseɛ so ɛka kyerɛ ɔmampani Akufo-Addo sɛ aeroplane fa nhwewɔ ɛntete ne nam na aeroplane na Nana hwewɔ tete ne nam a yɛlu nso hwewɔ Ghana ɔyɛ NDC ni ɔno akwala no ɛkɔtena ho kansa asɛm yi wɔantumi anka ho yɛankyerɛ no yɛwɔ ɔman Ghana mu amanfo otu galamsey na Nana fa kwan biara so ɔbɛsettle saa issue no na kwakubu ahenam galamsey side oni NDC for nam galamsey side ka kyerɛ galamsey for sɛ omu entu na omu de omu bo NDC for ba power omu omu atu itu omu nyai omu nkoto entu omu de ne galamsey de oman Ghana abedu ene excavator anado na NDC for mu yi excavator anado na nado boka ekoto drip machine se emamedwi enkurase kwan NDC for mu ba enya no na mu de tu galamsey ye wo man mu ha national television asoja for kwakop ayekopama galamsey for na NDC chairman gina ho ka tia asoja for ne se omo ba be pede wo sampatamo omo ba ho ma amfre no na nkanya sem ne yenka enenye NDC for mu mfa mra nya adwuma ono soja ni ne kobo eban so o man yense o man ne japade ono NDC ni chairman gina ho kate ebusa sojani ne se obepede o sa kurumo na ono sojani ne ba ho no amfre ono no NDC chairman ni nyina wo man ne mote na nya abanya emu nipa ya krofo mo mpese ye beka no kora kire mo a enka sansem we kwa yewa dondoma ni mam eni kwase nke piefiri wa no kwa aba abanya on criticism on be so obi be criticize na aban ene niema o mo ye no sa aban ne enya ban papa na mimi mbremu NDC ne yewa dondoma ni mama yen Ghana fo ene yesu a yensem kobol fi yase ye Ghana fo na Ghana fo me kasem bia tem abatuo enye se wakogina polling station na wato ode okokomutia kotin papers o dabi okoto aba ese wo dwen ho na hwe political party a me koto aba ma no biko abatuo ewo nsunsanso wabraba a obebo ni mfie nan abatuo no wo nsunsanso wo so enedi eni ehu NDC fo tu galamsey se wo man ne nsase Mese otiti aduane bone ema yefunu dia ebotwene ma hosa yewa John ni mama sansem na wokeka no upa jaika because emfa yeti oman mu ha ama emrante ne mabawa atwabo na nado dan Akufo-Addo ne ba omia ni nyina wo NDC fo ni nyina oti oman Ghana mu hwema san niema ni nyina akoso wantimi anka ho hwe Kevin Telati na buru chire tutu bi mane enhemfo asofo ajagefo ema ye de warrant ato ne so ama wo ba aban mu no wa frɛ na ma na bagana ama ye warrant na to so ajagefo akotena se ajaje se yenyimfiri ne so na enege obi so enya na ni phone enya ne data no o kana asem a enege wo kasa wo de IP number be ma ya track ne down you are John Mahama oboa waka na abere because and someone NDC for matter o man Ghana mu aka no me se me mo assignment kope video akwala ketuo bi ko busa na na adoda nkwa Akufo-Addo say see criticize na aban how enu feel na ko answer na adoda ma no kopesa video no unhu ya kopendehwe eno ne friend say omampani ebu oman na nya de wo ye ya opesa odi hu hye nkrofo mu enam eniema boni amu ye wo aban mu nti opesa odi hu hye nkrofo mu ye wa John Mahama emfa da emfa o emfa ntu pejai na emfa because said ye ewia ye no sana ensuso ebeto aye yentna ho emanfa hu mehye obi amu dabida yentna ho manfa hu mehye obi amu yenyina ye wogana ha yenyina ye wogana ha yentna ho manfa hu mehye obi amu da Me do bi ase oba so anu ahya ma enu aso enya bi ati
Kyerɛ wadwe ma me ɛwɔ comment section. Aha yɛ Penyah Block Media. Accra.